signori, buongiorno e benvenuti alla Lamborghini. So it was 4 years ago when we first introduced the Aventador here in Geneva. At that time, and it still is, a car full of technical innovations, and it still has no competitors. Now we have a new product out of the pipeline. The new Lamborghini Aventador LP 750-4 Super Veloce. In this car, we concentrated on 3 major items. The first one is the power to weight ratio. The second item we concentrated on was the aerodynamics. And the third item is the drivability of the car, which is something which we added, which is new for a raw and very fast car like the Super Veloce. So from 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds, from 100 to 0 in just 30 meters, and the top speed of this car is over 350 kilometers per hour. But one thing remained unchanged, and this is the fact that the Aventador still has no competitors.
Voilà, c'est ça. Oui, oui. Eux aussi, ils en mettent, tu vois.
It goes back 2 years, when we started thinking it was time to dare. 2 years asking ourselves a simple question. If we send our fastest bull straight to hell, will it be able to get out in less than 7 minutes? The Green Hell, the most challenging and attractive track in the world. 13 miles of blind corners, 90 years of history on the asphalt. This is where passion becomes a chance, where many have tried but failed. A challenge driving our work, finding out how far we can push it. Tests made all over the world, working hard and building up the best team on earth. Super Veloce means extremely fast. It is lighter, stiffer, with more power, a concentration never seen before. So here we are, ready to challenge the devil. This is more than a race. This is the Nürburgring. Four-wheel drive and Magna-Ride suspension for enhanced car control. 750 horsepower for crazy acceleration. Carbon fiber to be lighter. P0 Corsa to maximize the grip. People call impossible is where we write the history.